now we are sitting in debate class. What is called this one?
Debate
class. That is a team and this is also a team. Both will talk opposite each other. And the topic is that mobile is necessary for the students, and one team will say that mobile is not necessary for the students. And first will be judge. These all three will be judge. They will judge in last that what is the condition of this debate. Is this debate important or not? I will ask some question with them. Then on my question they have to answer and they have to define. They will support necessary also and they will oppose not necessary also. ये दोनों पे oppose और support करेंगे. And while starting our debate on this topic, from your team you have to speak some of the sentences. From this team also some of the sentences will be spoken before you, and you have to note the point also in your mind. अपने mind में point note करेंगे. So you have to do this type of work. Okay, ready?
Yes.
You will be opposer of mobile. You have not to support mobile. That mobile is not necessary. You have to say mobile is not necessary, especially for the students. Why is it not necessary? You have to define about that in your speech. Some sentences you have to speak. You have not to speak a lot of sentences. And means some of you will speak that mobile is necessary. I will tell for speaking. Whom I will tell will speak. Okay? Yes. And whom I will tell they are also, they will speak. This is the rule of this debate. And what happen in debates, nobody will invite you that you speak and you will speak. You have to speak yourself. You have to speak yourself everything. So nobody will go to tell you that you speak. No, you have to take your chance yourself. And you have to ask the question with your opposite team. From your opposition, you have to ask the question each other. So this is the rule of debate. I will be sitting here. They will be focus on your speeches. That what are you speaking? You have to note there all means the point of both teams. You have to focus completely on that. What are they saying? What are they saying? And what point is correct? What point is incorrect? On that you have to focus. When I will to stop them and I'll ask some question with all three, then you have to focus on that and speak something. Okay, this is the rule of this debate class. From that side I will start to say for speaking. From that side a member will start speaking that what is the harm of mobile. So can you speak?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. And this is a debate class, and we are sitting in a debate class. And means we are means my team is opposing. Means mobile is not important. Really, mobile is not important for a student. And if means we are in a student life, then we should avoid mobile. And if you avoid your mobile phone, then you can do well in your future. And means here means when means we avoid, then we can develop our means in educational area and we can go ahead in our life. So this is my view.
You speak.
In this age,
उस लड़के को बुलाइए ना इधर से.
mobile is too much important because without mobile we can't do anything. And mobile is also like a mini computer. Like in digital age, we will have to knowledge about computer. Through mobile we can get knowledge also. And in future we will get problem without knowledge of any digital platform, because in future our country will become digital. And suddenly we don't know what means. When we have get problem, then mobile will solve your all problems. That's why for means in this digital age, we will have to evolve ourselves according to age. Otherwise, we will get problem in our future. So mobile is too much important.
Sunny.
We are sitting here for debating.
You speak, Bushra.
Thank
From
you,
your
sir,
team.
for giving me this golden opportunity to sit in a debate class. Really, sir, mobile phone is very harmful for the student life. Because of mobile phone, students are wasting their time. Being a student, we should focus on our education. We should pay our most of the time on education. But because of mobile phone, we are wasting our time behind watching reels, playing game. But if we keep ourselves away from the mobile, then we can focus on our education and we can get a proper education. Because of mobile phone, students live in misconception that they have been getting education. They purchase online courses, but they don't study because of distraction. Because we think that we have purchased classes, but we can watch recorded classes. That's why they don't get proper education. So mobile phone is very harmful for the student. This is my view.
You speak.
Thank you, sir, having me chance. If I talk about mobile, then really mobile is important. But first of all, I want to say this is the digital age, and for digital age, as you know that what is necessary, internet, mobile, laptop, like this gadget is important. So operating those all things is too much important nowadays. As you know that if you want to buy anything, then there also needed how we can pay. Then there also phone pay are available. So
Phone pay is available.
phone pay is available. Through phone pay you can pay there. So I can say that mobile phone is too much important, and as well as for a study also mobile phone is important. If you study somewhere else, there also our sir, our teacher provide many of the things, but there also we unable to understand those all things which is provided by sir. So if we unable to understand those all things, then you can search on Google. Many of the platform are available nowadays. You listen AI is going on nowadays. Then through AI also you can get many of the things. Then according to me, mobile is too much important. We should use, but at least if you use mobile phone, then there we will not go on wrong path. You should use a mobile phone is in a waste way. If you use mobile phone in waste way, then there you can get many of the things also, and you will become successful also, because mobile give you many of the things. You can connect to another person. If you want to connect to another country person, then there you can connect easily because of mobile phone. So I can say that mobile phone is important, and mobile phone is really beneficial for you. If you will use this thing, then of course you will become success. This is my thought.
You speak.
Really, sir, nowadays mobile phone is most important in our life. Without this phone, we cannot do many more things. Because if suppose I want to go anywhere else and I have no idea about that place, then that time I search with Google and I find my location. That time you realize this is most important for me, and nowadays online classes will run. Then that time you also realize I have no idea, I have no more money for taking offline class. That time you have right to choose through your mobile, on YouTube, on any type of website, if you have idea about mobile then. This is my point of view. Really mobile nowadays most important in our life.
You speak.
And good evening, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity, and all of you, my dear friends. And I am standing in debate class, and my topic is minute of mobile. And also, you look in your pocket, there is a mobile, and there are lots of advantages of mobile. In digital age, if we have no mobile, then brother, we are useless. You look, we are students, and we have left our home. We are studying here. If we have no mobile, then how can we talk with our parents? How can we study? Nowadays, look, financial condition is not good of students. For all that, after buying good batches, they are studying well and they are getting success everywhere. So it's fault not of mobile, fault is of a student. So nowadays you are mature and you should utilize in a good way. Fault is in yourself. So if we have no mobile, then brother, how can we face competitive age? Look, this age is priceless and people are going anywhere else without money. They are paying by mobile. Look, this is the advantage of mobile. It's my opinion before you.